You just found the 2022 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Hyundai Elantra, the tech-savvy compact that infuses every drive with a fresh feeling of innovation and modern style. From its suite of confidence-inspiring safety features to its svelte and sculpted looks, this driver-focused sedan is an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, dual-zone AC, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.